Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to make money from Kraken as a beginner. So to get started with the easy guide, the first thing to do is to buy and hold a crypto. For example, it can be a long-term investing. So to do this, purchase a popular cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and after that you have to hold them for a very long time, expecting price to grow. So simple strategy, good for beginners. Then after that, you can also earn rewards by staking cryptos. For example, stake support coin like HEAT, which is Ethereum, DOT, and Solana using the Kraken earning features. So also you can also earn passive reward up to 10 to 20% APY depending on the asset. Then from there, go to the Kraken Pro, then click on portfolio, then click on start to earn staking. That's how you can start for that. Then on the other one, you can also use Kraken TM programs, so which is a flexible and a bonded staking. So flexible staking earns rewards and withdraw anytime, while bonded staking lock coins for higher rewards, which is safe ways to earn passive income without trading actively. Then on that, you can really use spot trading, which is simply buy low and sell high. So, but when price are low, sell when price go up. Use the Kraken Pro simple trading interface where you start small and avoid leverage as a beginner. And also, you can use the file programs just to earn on Kraken Pro. Invite friends to Kraken and earn a commission like $10 to $20 in Bitcoin for every successful referral. And that's how you can simply make money with Kraken for beginners. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.